Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete offline Google Maps on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete offline Google Maps on our phone, first open up your Google Maps application. And after opening a Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and kind of interface will appear. Now in order to delete your offline Google Maps on your phone, you can see the offline maps option available for us over here just below the location sharing. Tap on offline maps, and all of your downloaded Google Maps which can be used offline will be over here. Now in order to delete a certain offline Google Map, you can see at the right side of this map there's a three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the right side of that option, and the delete button is available for us. Tap on delete, and again tap on the yes button over here, and then your offline map will be deleted from your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete offline Google Maps on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.